Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into CHROMIA token. But first guys, please make sure that you are doing the same step that I'm doing and the same websites. You can change maybe CoinMarketCap with others, but I really recommend my CoinMarketCap because it's really safe. It prevents you from getting scammed and avoid scammers as a general idea. Now, we click on the search bar. We write the name of the token, which is CHROMIA, or you can just write the shortcut, which is CHR. We click on it. Here, this page, you have a bunch of informations, and we only need the contract address by going to the contract section and click on this icon. Now we are ready to go. We go to the uniswap.org website. We click on launch app. It opens this interface. We connect our wallet. And by the way guys, you have multiple choices. You can use whatever wallet you are comfortable using. You can choose between MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, and Portis. But for me, I will stand by using MetaMask. For those who doesn't have one, you can download it by going to metamask.io and clicking download now. Now we go back to the Uniswap interface. We make sure that you are on Ethereum main network. We go to the MetaMask by clicking on the icon right here, and you make sure that you are on Ethereum as well in the wallet. Now you import tokens, custom tokens, you write the address, and here you are ready to go. Now it is on your wallet. You click select the token, import. Now guys, you can swap between Ethereum into CHR or CHR into Ethereum by clicking on this arrow right here. So that was the video guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And yeah, have a great day. Bye bye guys.